I like coming to the garden because there's lots of wildlife and pretty flowers around.
It's about caring for where we live.
This is a fairly special place with a special group of people.
About a year ago, this site was an ex-material handling area for our local council. But with hard work from local residents and schools, we've completely transformed it to a site that's brilliant for wildlife.
We never thought anything would grow, and Gavin really kept saying, it will be fine, you know, don't panic, wait till the summer, something will grow. And it was just wonderful to see all this colour.
I get a lot out of community gardening, mainly because I meet lots of people who live locally and we can welcome children into this area, know that they're safe, show them things about the community and wildlife.
It's very hands-on. They're not having to look through a book or anything else. They can touch and feel and smell and hear and see. I think it helps a great deal with their own development, because it does allow them to be free and free thinking, and the more they do it, the more they embrace it and the more they want to do it, because they're just enjoying the whole experience of what it's like to be outside and feeling free.
More than half of British wildlife is in decline, and it doesn't matter whether you've got a big area or a small area. Planting wildflowers makes your area work hard for wildlife.
I think it's important to look after the wildlife because we've only got one planet, and if we just waste it away, then that'll just be the end of life.
You do need people that are willing to really work hard, work together. If you have those people and somebody like Gavin from the RHS, who's been so brilliant in his enthusiasm, then yes, you could do it anywhere.
This is now the community's space to enjoy, to keep coming up here, learning about nature and how to protect it so it's here for generations to come.
It makes me smile because it was just a complete dump, and now it's something to be proud of. You can listen to the birds, see how the flowers grow, see just the difference in a site. It's just been a great revelation to me.